Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubble soak in your Samsung washing machine. To begin, load your laundry into the drum and add your preferred detergent to the dispenser. Next, select your desired wash cycle from the control panel. You will then press the dedicated bubble soak button, which illuminates when activated. This simple step prepares your machine for an enhanced cleaning experience, tackling even the most stubborn dirt. Once your laundry is loaded and detergent added, choose the appropriate wash cycle for your garments. For instance, if you are washing everyday items, select the cotton cycle. After selecting the cycle, locate the bubble soak button on your machine's control panel. Press this button to activate the feature. It is crucial to press it before you press the start button, ensuring the 30-minute soak is integrated into your chosen wash program. The magic of bubble soak lies in its unique technology. Before the main wash, your Samsung machine creates a powerful foam by injecting air into the water and detergent mixture. This dense foam then thoroughly soaks your clothes for approximately 30 minutes. The bubbles gently penetrate every fiber, effectively breaking down and lifting away stubborn dirt and stains. This innovative process ensures a deeper, more effective clean. Using bubble soak significantly enhances stain removal, making it perfect for tackling common culprits like mud, grass, or food spills. It is particularly beneficial for heavily soiled items such as children's play clothes or work uniforms. Remember to always consult your garment's care labels to ensure they are suitable for this intensive soaking process. This feature provides an extra layer of cleaning power, ensuring your clothes come out remarkably fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.